Nev's fam, this is Nev from Nev's Lifestyle. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video you must have already read the title. Okay, so I am going to start a new something I'm adding on, and you will be seeing that and what it is. So I am going to start every week. You are going to get a recipe, a cooking, a cooking whatever related to the kitchen or a recipe, and you can also request by commenting below what you would like to see as per the cooking or the kitchen related or the tips, tricks, whatever you want to see. You can always comment anytime. I have a little disclaimer over here that these recipes are not mine. All these cooking recipes are coming from my sister who doesn't live here, and you must have watched my sister tag, or I did some vlogs when I was at her place. So she doesn't even live in the same state, but she is going to do the cooking videos because she does a lot of cooking. So she's going to do all that cooking and send me the footage, and that will be included in my channel. So you must be thinking, why not a separate channel or her channel? Okay, so since more than 1 year I have been trying to convince her to start her own cooking channel, because she does a lot of cooking, like different cooking and really good cooking, and she has so many tips and hacks and all that. So I've been trying to convince her to start her own channel, or even if she gives me the recipe, I can edit and do all that work for her channel, but just have a separate channel. So she was not convinced, guys. I've been trying since last 1 year, but she doesn't want to do it. So she said, just include my recipes, my cooking in your channel and grow your channels. So finally we decided, after all these talks, that she is going to give me every week one recipe. We're going to start with every week, then we'll see how it goes, how you guys like. So yeah, we are going to start, and today you are going to see the first recipe, and we are starting with little easier recipe, because just the video you might think that it's not of a good quality. It's because I am not there recording for her. She's recording herself, and she's not a YouTuber. So I'm trying to tell her how much ever I can tell her on phone, teach her. So she is trying. So this is her first one, but definitely we will improve on the recording of the video. Also, because I'm including one video from her, I am going to do, I will try, hopefully 1 or 2 weeks might take to adjust to this new schedule. So I'm going to give you like 3 videos a week, which will be like 2 as normal will be my videos, and 1 will be her cooking video. So whenever, because I also do cooking videos, I do very less, but whenever, it's mostly will be her recipes. So I will give a hashtag sisters recipe, and so you will know that it's from my sister. Just in case if I do, then I will not mention anything like that. Yes, just give me some time. We are trying this out, and do comment below and let me know. I think I did a lot of talking and a big intro. So let's see today's recipe and get started. So let's start with the recipe, and let's see how this was made. So let's start with the main ingredients. There is roasted sesame seeds. You can just roast them dry to a brown. Then there is a dry masala and ginger garlic paste. The details of dry masalas will be down below in the description box. Then there's chopped tomatoes, and the other plate has chopped onions, curry leaves, coriander leaves, and green chilies. And the quantity of each ingredient will be in the description box below, so don't worry about that. So take some oil, put a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Now we are adding chopped onions, and we have to just cook this onion, not too much brown. So basically when they are soft and cooked, now we are going to add, this is green chili, so add according to the taste, how much spicy you want. Now this is the curry leaves added. So adding now is the coriander leaves, and now we are going to start with the dry masala. Add dry masalas one by one and mix, then add next one, mix, then add next one. So along with the dry masalas, we are also adding ginger garlic paste. Again, the quantities and the detail of the dry masalas will be given in the description box, so don't forget to check them out. So now you can see we are mixing everything nicely and just pressing little the onions so that they just mash a little bit, nothing much. So now we are going to add the tomatoes. Again, the quantity will be down below in the description box. So mix everything well, and we have to cook this one until the tomatoes are soft. So now salt will be added. Add salt according to the taste, and yeah, just mix everything well and cover the pan and let it cook until the tomatoes are really soft and cooked. So meanwhile the tomatoes are cooking, we need to make a like a powder of these sesame seeds. Whichever blender or whatever you use, just make a powder of this. So it should look something like this. So basically the powder of sesame seeds. So we are going to add that powder in this tomato, the tomato which was cooking. And by the time it gets a little bit softer, so just add all the powder and mix it well. So after mixing, turn off the gas, and we are going to make the paste of this. So my sister is doing with a hand blender. So if you have something like this, you can make a paste of it. Don't forget to switch off the gas because it's really hot. So we have to just make the paste. So let's see the ingredients for the seasoning: mustard seeds, curry leaves, red chili powder, hing, cumin seeds, and urad and chana dal. And take some oil, about 1 tablespoon, and let it heat up, and start with the mustard seeds. And when they crackle, um, so that's when they're ready. So when they crackle, slowly you can start adding all the ingredients like cumin seeds, then the slowly all other, like you see we mix it little bit like that, and keep adding one by one. So when the red chilies are a little bit brown, it means they are done. So just don't burn it, and just mix it a little bit and transfer your tomato chutney into some bowl, and then transfer all the seasoning like it's been done over here, and it's ready to eat. So I hope you like this recipe, and again I know the video is not of the great quality. We are improving, she is learning. So this particular recipe, please try and let me know. This is a tomato chutney, but this can be eaten with idli, dosa, vada, uttapam, and you can also eat this with like a stuffed paratha, like aloo paratha, gobi paratha, all those things, or with a plain parathas. So you can eat this with a lot of things, and you can keep this for a week if you're not freezing it or something. You can keep this fresh for up to a week, so you can make it and keep it up to a week. But what you can do also, here is a tip for you, and this tip is again from her. You can freeze in small containers, so just put it in small freezable, you know, containers, and just freeze it, and whenever you want you can just take one container out and just defreeze it, and you know, ready to eat. So you can do that. So I hope you like this video. Please let me know your thoughts on about, you know, about this whole thing, about the recipe, about starting a you know, this new video in my schedule. So please let me know, and please subscribe, guys. Just hit on there my face and it will automatically subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. It will give you a notification when my video comes, and you can watch, and all my social media links are down below. You can follow me there, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.